Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video, I will show you the best free AI tools that are not only free and also very useful for you. First tool name is leonardo.ai. You can generate any image from here. You can see the results are amazing. Next image generator tool name is Ideogram, and this was one of the first image generator that came out. Results is fascinating here too. Next up, let's talk about some AI image editing tools. First of all, it's Magic Eraser tool. Now, for example, I want to erase the rope. First, I choose Draw and make outline of rope. It starts processing and boom, it removes the rope. Let's go ahead and talk about upscale.media. It's an image enhancer tool for your pics. Just simply drop your image from here, and here you can see the results. It enhances it perfectly. And now there's a kind of fun in this one's called leiapix converter. It will take your 2D picture to kind of 3D. See the magic how it convert from this to this. You can even change the depth, size, and hardness. You can change the amount of motion from here, and animation style from here. This one is really cool, called a blockade-labs, and it allows you to create 360-degree worlds from a text prompt. Give it a prompt you like to generate. And then we have some style to choose. And here's my radiant painting of giant Godzilla. And now I am choosing rendering it like cartoonish. It doesn't look like Godzilla to me, but still, it's good. Well, our last tool is basically a search engine that search for specific word from video named play phrase me. So, for example, if I search good night and see what happens.
Good night. And always remember.
Well, I'll say good night then.
That's for today's video. Hit like and subscribe if you like this video. And if you want me to make more AI videos like this, comment.